Hey everyone, Sedona Dave in the Cane Lab, and today we're going to go over some very basic maintenance for both your all-terrain cane and the Urban Xplorer. Okay, so for this maintenance we start with a silicone impregnated cloth. This is ours, it's on our shelves, ready to go. So very simply, let's maintain our canes by starting on the upper section, open the flip lock, extend the grip, and with that silicone cloth, very simply wipe clean that upper shaft. Dust, dirt, oil, get it all off of there. Test. We are good. Quick enough, simple enough. Now onto the joints. Pop open the first joint, take the silicone cloth, wipe clean. Onto the second joint. Again, wipe clean. And you're good to go. So Sedona Dave with some very basic maintenance on both your all-terrain cane and Urban Xplorer using a silicone impregnated cloth. All right, see you out on the trails. Take care.